Hello there. Thank you for joining us. My name is Ann Vogt, and I am a Regional Curriculum Specialist with Minnesota Ag in the Classroom. And this is my lovely baking assistant, Ella Vogt. And today we are going to be making for you peanut butter chocolate chunk cookies. You can make these for the holidays or really any time. So we are going to get started right away with our wet ingredients. So first up, we've got our
peanut butter.
We're going to scrape that into the bowl. Peanut butter comes from peanuts. Thank you, Ella. And then Ella's going to add in our brown sugar. Bonk. So we've got our cup of brown sugar. Next we have our egg. We like to put our egg in a separate container before dropping it into our mixture because someone cracks eggs and sometimes the shells go right in. So we've got our egg added in. Next up we've got our honey. So we like to shop local. And we went to our local grocery store and found Moody Bees honey, which actually comes from Madelia, Minnesota. So we've got some local honey here. And we are excited because one of the agricultural ingredients we are focusing on in the month of December is honey and honeybees. All right, so we've got our honey. And last up, we've got our butter.
After vanilla.
Oh, we need our vanilla, just kidding. So we're going to add our vanilla. Thank you. Add the butter, and then we're going to mix this up with our mixer. And we're going to get the mixer here and mix all of these wet ingredients. And at the same time, Miss Ella is going to mix up our dry ingredients. So Ella, can you tell us what is in our dry ingredients?
Baking soda, salt, flour, oats.
All right. She is going to whisk that together. Oh, let's get the rest of that. She's going to whisk that together while we mix our wet ingredients together. We make a pretty good team. After everything is nice and mixed in both of these, we're going to add our dry ingredients in 2 batches into our wet ingredients. All right, so our wet ingredients are all combined, and now we're going to add half of the dry ingredient mixture. And we're going to stir that together instead of using the mixer. All right, and then the other half. All right. We are going to mix that up. Ella's going to grab our chocolate chunks. You could use any sort of chocolate chip, but we like to call these peanut butter chocolate chunk cookies, so we're going to use chocolate chunks. So once your dry ingredients are completely combined in with your wet ingredients, you can go ahead, stir in our chocolate chunks, and refrigerate your dough for 30 minutes. So we're going to get this added together and in the refrigerator, and we'll be back.
We're making, we got these out of the refrigerator and we're rolling them into balls and bake them for 12 minutes and 350 degrees.
All right, we got our cookies out of the oven. We moved them to this cooling rack, and we've maybe eaten 1 or 2
or 3 or 4 or 5.
They're really, 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 what, Ella?
Delicious!
They're so delicious. So we hope you try this recipe. It is legit. It is very good. And we hope you enjoy it and have fun baking with someone you love. And check out our website and our Facebook page, Minnesota Ag in the Classroom, for more activities and lesson plans that you can do with the ones you love. Have a good one. Thank you.
This one is full of
What do you say?
Bye! Thank you for watching us.